To use Zelle with America First Credit Union. Start by ensuring you have an America First Credit Union account and the America First Credit Union mobile banking app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the America First Credit Union mobile banking app and log into your account using your username and password. If you are a first-time user, you may need to register for online banking before you can use the app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select the Zelle option. You may be asked to read and agree to the terms of service before proceeding. Read the terms carefully and check the box to indicate your agreement. Next, you will be prompted to enroll in Zelle by providing some basic information, such as your name and email address or mobile phone number. This information will be used to identify you as a Zelle user and to facilitate transactions. After enrolling, you can start using Zelle to send money to friends, family, or others. To do this, select the Send Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can also add a memo to the transaction, which is optional. Enter the amount you want to send and select the account you want to use to fund the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transaction. To receive money using Zelle, the sender will need to have your email address or mobile phone number associated with your Zelle account. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification, and the funds will be deposited into your America First Credit Union account. Best practices for using Zelle with America First Credit Union include only sending money to people you know and trust, keeping your account information and Zelle enrollment information secure, and monitoring your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use Zelle with America First Credit Union to send and receive money. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can contact America First Credit Union customer support for help.